Hi friends, it's Mrs. Green here again, and now we are going to add more color to our robot. So I'm going to make sure that my selection tool is highlighted and selected. If not, I'm going to go ahead and click up here. And I would like my robot to have similar colors here. I want the body, the legs, and the arms to be the same color as the head. And instead of going through each shape and changing the colors one at a time, Illustrator actually has a quicker and easier way to do that. And we use what is called the Eyedropper tool. And the Eyedropper tool is right over here. And we're gonna first select the shapes that we want to be that color. So I hold down the shift key, and I click the shapes that I want to be the same color. I'll start to notice a blue bounding box going around, and it's just showing me everything that I'm selecting. And also anything that has the blue dot in the middle is something I've selected. So over here, you'll see that the triangle and the circle and square, and then these two long shapes here, I have not selected. They are still black. They don't have any blue outlined on them. I'm going to also click the sides of my robots here. I want that to be the same color. And now it's this simple. I go over to the Eyedropper tool and I click that, and then I head right back over to the head, and you'll see that my cursor has now changed into an eyedropper. And all I do is I click the head. And now it matches the stroke and the fill color of the shape that I chose with the eyedropper. And that's the quickest way to change a lot of shapes at once into the same color. To get out of that, again, I went to the selection tool and I went ahead and just clicked outside of the shape.